eating junk food like pizza. You wish to have a pizza, but you don't have a pizza base at home. This is extremely sad and annoying. This used to happen with me also. But I found a way out, and today is your lucky day because I am going to share it with you all. So let's get started. Hello everyone. My name is Aarush Daliya and I am 10 years old. Today I am going to teach you how to make a pizza but without a pizza base. In fact, you can call it a pizza bread. These are the ingredients what you will need. A tomato, an onion, a capsicum and 2 slices of bread. Even mayo and some butter and chutney. For this video, I have already kept everything ready. So now, you have to put the breads on the toast. Now you need to put this bread slices on the pan. First, spread some butter on the pan. Then, put your slices. If you want, you can put sprinkles. While the breads are getting heated, you can mix your veggies with mayo. These are the tomato, onion, capsicum, and this is 50 grams of meat. Now it's time to flip. I flip them, and now again you have to little bit pour with the mayo. Give a good stir. Now you are ready with the vegetables mixed in mayo. The vegetables should be covered with mayo. Now you have to wait till the bread gets heated up. So, in the middle you can even press the bread and then take it down. Save it in the pan. After that, you can take a butter knife and spread some Szechuan chutney on it, but little, or else it will get spicy. So now I'm done with the Szechuan. Now you have to spread the mayo mixture evenly on the breads. So now we have to put some cheese slice on it. And time for the second layer. Now you'll have to wait, and do not forget to keep it on low flame. As I'm a kid, I don't like spicy things, but if you like, you can add oregano, chili flakes, and whatever you like. In the middle, please check if it is not burning. This is when the cheese completely melts. Melting cheese always tastes delicious on your sandwiches. This is how the sandwich looks while cooking. I think so it's done. Do not forget to off the gas. You can add some cheesy chipotle sauce. You can spread it. Add some oregano if you want. And if you like, at the end you can grate some cheese. This is how it will look at the end. It is very tasty. You have to try it. Okay viewers, this is all for the day. I'll bring more tasty cooking vlogs next session. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video.